Hello everyone, welcome back to Careers 360. So dear ones, I'm over here going to talk about the overall analysis of Shift 2, the evening shift, 22nd of January 2026. We have got the feedback from the students straight away from the center itself, and the students are talking about that the overall difficulty of the exam of this evening shift, it was moderate. So when we compare it with the morning shift, it is actually moderate, talking about the evening shift only. Now, if I just talk about which was harder, so students find mathematics on the upper hand, followed by chemistry and then physics. So the paper was at the same level as compared to January 2025 shifts. 4 to 5 questions were based on statement in chemistry section. Now, if I talk about for the physics paper, it was a moderate paper. The overall difficulty level of JEE Mains 22nd January evening shift physics section, it was easier to moderate in comparison to the morning shift. The physics paper was easy with respect to mathematics and chemistry. JEE Main 22nd January evening shift physics paper was easy basically as compared to last year JEE Mains paper. So overall difficulty level, if I talk about in terms of mathematics, it was difficult. The students find the mathematics paper difficult. It was lengthy. Several questions needed careful calculation, which made proper time management very, very important. The math section was tougher in comparison to physics and chemistry. Evening shift difficulty level was tougher in comparison to the morning shift. So overall difficulty level chemistry का देखा जाए, it was moderate basically. Chemistry paper was easy with respect to mathematics and physics section. The paper was doable of chemistry for those who went through the proper revision. Physical chemistry consisted of numerical based question basically. Okay, so overall अगर देखा जाए chemistry moderate था, maths tough and lengthy था, clear, and it was slightly tougher in comparison to the morning shift. So overall कैसा पेपर पैटर्न आया है, मैथमेटिक्स ऑन द अपर हैंड फॉलोड बाय केमिस्ट्री एंड देन फिजिक्स. सो फिजिक्स कंपैरेटिवली इस पर्टिकुलर शिफ्ट के अंदर इजी आया है इन कंपैरिजन टू मैथमेटिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री. So I don't know what NTA is doing. It's actually giving us the surprises, swapping the hardness level with mathematics, chemistry, physics here and there. But nevertheless, this is the overall analysis. So all the very best for the students who are going to attempt tomorrow, 23rd of January 2026. Well, before I just leave, there is a live session that is going to take place sharply at 6:30 p.m. The link of that live session will be provided to you in the description box. So join me there to have a detailed overall analysis of chemistry, physics and mathematics. See you there in the live session. Don't miss that out. Bye-bye and take care.